prove that cos theta minus 2 cos cube theta divided by sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta plus cot theta is equal to 0. So, cos theta minus 2 cos cube theta divided by sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta plus cot theta. This is the LHS. Now, from the numerator, take cos theta common. So, cos theta into, if you take cos theta from the numerator, the first term will be 1 minus cos theta gone from 2 cos cube theta, it will be 2 cos square theta divided by, take sin theta common. So, this will be sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta plus cot theta. This is equal to cos theta into 1 minus 2 cos square theta divided by sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So, instead of sin square theta, we make 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta, we know that it is 1 minus cos square theta. So, instead of sin square theta, we write here 1 minus cos square theta plus cot theta is equal to cos theta into 1 minus 2 cos square theta divided by sin theta into 1 minus, so multiply remove the bracket. So, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, minus 2 into minus cos square theta is plus 2 cos square theta plus cot theta. This is equal to cos theta into 1 minus 2 cos square theta divided by sin theta into 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus 2 cos square theta plus cot theta. This is equal to cos theta into 1 minus 2 cos square theta divided by, here we need to make sin theta into, that inside the bracket is minus 1 plus 2 cos square theta. We need to make it as 1 minus 2 cos square theta. So that the numerator 1 minus 2 cos square theta, and if you make this denominator 1 minus 2 cos square theta, it will be cancelled. So for that, what we need to do is take 1 minus from the denominator outside. So this will be, take 1 minus from this inside the bracket. So this will be, instead of sin theta, this will be minus sin theta into, now that minus is gone, so this will be 1, and here it is plus. So we have taken minus outside, so minus will be plus. So here put as minus 1 minus 2 cos square theta plus cot theta. Now the numerator 1 minus 2 cos square theta and denominator 1 minus 2 cos square theta, it is cancelled. So we get cos theta by minus sin theta, that is minus cot theta plus cot theta is equal to 0. That is what we need to prove, equal to RHS. Hope you understood this. So this question is over. We proved the LHS, cos theta minus 2 cos cube theta divided by sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta plus cot theta is equal to 0.